Now, next, I'm going to create the cross. Now, cross is pretty straightforward. I'm going to reuse the triangle. So I'm going to right-click on the triangle and click on duplicate. And I'm going to rename it cross. All right. Then I'm going to duplicate the green bar by pressing Command D and name it. So I have red, yellow, green. I'm going to name it blue bar. Blue bar, and change its color to blue. All right. And also change its trigger script to blue so that the script knows that it's blue. Right. And now I'm going to select the cross and move it so that we can see it. And right now, it's not really a cross. It's more of a triangle, obviously, because we just duplicated the triangle. But that's not a problem. We're going to modify it so that it's like a cross. So the red bar, I'm going to put the red bar to be a Z of 0. Okay, and move it so that it follows the yellow bar. Perfect. Now I'm going to take the green bar and move it a little bit so that you guys can see it. And I'm going to take the green bar and the blue bar and put a Z axis of 90. There we go. Now I'm going to move the green bar at the center of the yellow and red and move it up a little bit. All right. And now do the same with the blue bar to move it down so that it forms the shape of a cross. There we go. And move it down. And here we go. Now we have a cross. Okay, so the next thing I want to do, it already has the rotation script. The only thing is that I need this to be centered. How do I do that? Again, I can take the sphere, duplicate the sphere, put the sphere inside of the cross, put it at the position 0, 0, 0, so that it's at the center of the cross. Then take all the bars and move them so that they are at the center of the sphere. Okay, so the sphere acts like the dot or the center of gravity. All right, here we go. Now I can delete the new sphere that I added. And I'm going to move the whole cross up a little bit so that we can see it up. Okay, and now I'm going to press play to try to see it in action and see what it does. If I go to the scene, take a look at this. Isn't that beautiful? In no time, we're able to create the cross. All right, so you should have no problem creating yours as well, and it will be rotating just fine. So we can play around and click on the game and then go all the way, and we'll be able to see the cross. Okay, so moving up. Okay, so that's the rectangle, and now should be the cross. All right, yep. So, you know, it's up to us at this point. Maybe the cross is just too big. So we might want to make it shorter, and you guys should have no problem by scaling it down, okay? So it's up to you at this point. All right.